What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights to the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. I gotta say this loud and clear for y'all in the back. Salute to everybody that's gonna subscribe off the rip, but for those of you in the back, if you want to secure your position in line as a part of the next crypto success stories during this next bull run, make sure you subscribe. Do yourself that favor. This way you get all the information right up front and you're not at the end of the line getting stuck at the top prices like a lot of people and end up having to wait an entire another cycle before you could be profitable again. So hit that subscribe button, man. I want to say shout out to the entire SHIB army. Congratulations. I've been telling y'all we stayed down for the come up and it is paying off nicely right now. Now, we haven't even seen anything major going on with Shiba Inu just yet as far as price action, but it is on the way. I've been telling y'all to be patient, understand it's coming. That's why it's important to understand what you hold. Now, let's take a look at this, y'all. Shiba Inu shines as it rises by, so it says 7%, but really we've seen it closer to like, I think 10, 11% following Bitcoin's hike to, at the time of this article was 59K, but we've seen Bitcoin go all the way up to 63,000 and I think like 800. So almost 64,000, y'all. I told y'all in the last live stream we did that these prices were very, very close. I told y'all it would take up to 2 weeks max in order to hit these price levels. And take a look what's happening right now. The way things are moving, y'all, I wouldn't be surprised if FOMO push Bitcoin to all-time high prices within the next 48 to 72 hours. So that's about a 3-day time span, y'all, that we could potentially see Bitcoin reach all-time high prices. Now, this is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. And remember, never risk more than you're willing to lose. But this is what's very important to remember. Not only could it reach its all-time high price within the next 3 days, we could also see a situation where price starts to retrace. So understand that that's a possibility and also strategize in case that does happen. Meaning if the price starts to pull back, you're prepared for that. We'll talk more about that once we get over to the chart. So Bitcoin's surge past 59,000 marks has sparked excitement across the crypto market, leading to significant gains for various tokens. Shiba Inu stands out, witnessing a notable 7% increase following Bitcoin's bullish momentum. Bitcoin's climbed to a 2-year high, edging closer to its all-time peak of 69,000 in November 2021. It's driven by a surge in optimism and institutional interest. Traders eagerly jump into Bitcoin, fearing they might miss out on a potential bull rally. So what we're seeing now is a lot of that institutional money start to enter into Bitcoin from those Bitcoin ETFs that were now approved by the SEC. So another thing that we need to pay attention to is that, yes, this is an exciting time. Very, very exciting. Prices may begin to rally, but you got to understand that prices still can pull back one last time and find support before we actually go to those levels. So I don't want y'all to just start throwing money like crazy all the way at the top trying to chase different asset prices. Hopefully you were one of the people subscribed to my channel previously over the last year, 2 years, 2.5 years, 3 years, and were accumulating during that time, because then your bags will look nice. I always like to stress you should have a short-term bag, mid-term bag, long-term bag. That way you can take advantage of the different price action or volatility that may take place in the market. And that way, let's say for the short term, things go crazy. You have a bag you can take profit from without jeopardizing your mid and long-term bags as well. So another thing is, outside of this institutional money, we're seeing the people who are sitting on the sidelines and afraid because of the last bear conditions to jump back in. They're starting to jump in. Remember, I told y'all a long time ago, before we right around $1.1 trillion market cap, I was telling y'all at $1.75 trillion market cap, FOMO, that first level of FOMO would kick in. Then I told you a $2 trillion market cap, the next level. And now look what's going on right now. And I told y'all 2.5 would be that next level. We hit 2.5. We might see everybody and their mama jumping in from the sidelines prepared again. People like to buy near the top because they want that confirmation that, oh, it's going up now, it's in an all-time high territory. Now I can just go for the ride, versus using the mindset to buy it when the asset is undervalued, buying it when it's cheaper. Most people do that. It takes on average 2 cycles in cryptocurrency in order for someone to, really become profitable in crypto. That's not all the time the case, but for most people on average, that's what it takes. So I'm trying to share this information with y'all to shorten up your journeys that it would take. You gotta be buying when the price is low and not chasing when the price is high. Wait for the price to pull back. Even if it's something that's looking very, very tempting for you, even if it continues to run up, let it run up and then wait for it to pull back and retest at certain levels. Now, if you're somebody who's just degening into a project, that's different. But for long-term investing, you usually want to, not chase. So usually you don't want to chase in general. But Shiba Inu's rally, while the entire market is swaying by Bitcoin's ascent, Shiba Inu appears to be reaping significant rewards from ongoing surge. Data from CMC shows SHIB trading at the 401113 mark after a robust 7.74 daily percent increase. Surge in on-chain whale activity. A significant development has occurred with the Shiba Inu token experiencing an unprecedented surge in on-chain whale activity, particularly in large transactions. According to data from Into the Block, there has been a remarkable 540% increase in the volume of large transactions involving SHIB within a span of just 2 days, y'all. This surge has resulted in a substantial rise in dollar value, escalating from 11.93 million to an impressive 70.45 million, representing a remarkable 590% increase. This surge in large transaction volume, which includes transactions of at least 100,000, indicates a notable increase in investor activity, with 297 transactions recorded, 175 which took place within the last 24 hours. Y'all connect the dots. Whale money, big money is stepping into Shiba Inu, and they're trying to secure their places, y'all. Shiba Inu still has yet to fully receive the sympathy that it is due. Now, once we start to see Doge move, I told y'all Shiba Inu will start to move. What do we see happening today? Doge started to move, Shiba Inu started to move right alongside it. It's called receiving sympathy. But guess what? This is nothing yet, y'all. This is absolutely nothing. We're just getting an appetizer to what's to come. Now, remember to be wise about everything, but I truly believe, we may see Bitcoin at a minimum of 250K after this bull run. So imagine where other assets like Shiba Inu with strong communities, with strong utilities will be at during that time. So Shiba Inu continues to display bullish trends with increasing ecosystem activity and a significant burn rate aimed at boosting its scarcity and value. The uptick in SHIB's price mirrors the broader market's upturn and signals growing investor enthusiasm for the meme coin. As Bitcoin rally drives the cryptocurrency market forward, Shiba Inu emerges as a standout performer, enjoying substantial gains and unprecedented on-chain activity with bullish trends and growing investor interest. SHIB remains a focal point for traders and enthusiasts, making a significant chapter in his journey with the crypto landscape. So this is super, super bullish for crypto as a whole, and also very bullish for those that are holding Shiba Inu, waiting to start to see those gains printing. Remember, I'm saying it here. If you're still here at this point in the video, double check, make sure you subscribe, make sure you also have smashed the like button. We need more people to hit the like button on the video so that this video gets recommended to more people. More people see it, more people will start to invest into Shiba Inu. They'll start to learn about it and hopefully invest into Shiba Inu. Now, I want to show this to y'all. Take a look. Overall crypto market cap is sitting at $2.28 trillion, y'all. We are up 6% on the day. This is absolutely fire, but one thing y'all got to pay attention to. Pay attention to this. Leave me a like on the video for this just in case you haven't. Back with the news you can use. 86 on the fear and greed index lets us know that the market is in that extreme greed territory. What does that mean? Somebody drop it in the comment section. When the market is fearful, it's time to be greedy. When the market is greedy, it's time to be fearful. So it's looking like we're entering that stage of extreme greed. So understand that smart money, wise traders, people that have been around the block a few times, they may start to unload positions. They may start to lock in some profits around this area. Now, it's super, super bullish right now because we're so close to all-time high. We got the Bitcoin halving 52 days away. So there's a lot of excitement going on right now. But I would not be surprised if we see prices taper off slightly. But if they do start to pull back or retrace slightly, I don't expect it to do it by much because of all the excitement. If we see it pull back, people are going to use that as their second chance to, secure some positions that they didn't initially secure before we just seen Bitcoin go up to 4,000. So let's take a look closer. We got Bitcoin $61,504 at the moment. Overall crypto market cap at $2.28 trillion. Take a look at this, y'all. Take a look here. $63,734, y'all. We talked about this in the live stream. I literally called it right before this started to break out at these levels, y'all. You gotta tune in to the channel if you're new. Shout out to everybody that's already rocking with me. Y'all know I'm not talking about y'all, but the new people that are just entering crypto. If you have yet to experience your first bull market, or you have yet to experience a successful bull market, you need to be subscribed to the channel ASAP. Now, we got Ethereum also moving, looking nice. You know, $3,445. We haven't seen Bitcoin and Ethereum at these price levels since, I want to say, like 2021 maybe. Let's take a look real quick. Ethereum, maybe 2022, maybe mid 2022. Okay, so yeah, Ethereum was at these levels in 2022. So take a look at this though. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at this recovery right here, y'all. So I'm expecting to see some type of retracement because this is a nice parabolic move. Might see a quick sharp retracement followed by a nice rebound with a breakout going back up to those levels. So Ethereum all-time high around 4,800. We are almost only $1,000 away from that level, y'all. This is super, super bullish. And guess what? We still got all the new price levels to, discover after we break these all-time high prices. This is going to be really good, y'all. So hopefully y'all are buckled up. Hopefully y'all already been accumulating. This is why when the prices are low, you need to not be afraid. You need to dive on the red. Some of my most successful students has made the most money because they fully understood this concept alone by just buying when it's red. Buy more when it's red. Okay, you bought some and the price dropped again, buy more when it's red. Only for assets you truly believe in, that you've done your due diligence on, and they've checked all the boxes for you. Solana, BNB, $413, up 4.5% today, 9% for the week, 32% on the year. Solana, $123 right now, up 14.5% on the day, up 20% for the week. XRP at 58 cents, up 7.5% for the week. Cardano at 64 cents, up 4.2% on the day and up 10.5% on the week. Doge at 11 cents. Finally, we got Doge moving. That lets us know Shiba Inu is not too far behind, y'all. Even though Shiba Inu is moving slightly, we haven't seen anything yet. Doge is going to go for a run, and guess what? People are going to be looking for the next closest coin or asset, token, whatever you want to call it, to get into, and that's going to be Shiba Inu, y'all. Also, pay attention to the Pepes, the baby Doges. Shout out to the whole Pepe gang. Broke all-time highs today. Doge right now up 18.7%, 36% on the week. AVAX up $41, up to $41.66, sitting up in the green 6.3% on the day and 12.8% for the week. We got Tron at 14 cents, up 2.5% on the week. Link at $19.63, up 3.8% on the day and 7.7% for the week. We got DOT at $8.46, up 1.4% on the day and 15.6% for the week. Matic at $1.03, up 0.5% on the day and 11% for the week. Then we got Timecoin up a nice 15%, up $2.51, up almost about 20% for the week. And then Shiba Inu up 6.8% on the day and 25% for the week, sitting at 401184. So this is super, super bullish, y'all. Even though I've been telling people, buy while it's still in the 40 level. Buy. And remember, when I say buy, y'all, it's not financial advice. I'm bullish on Shiba Inu, so sometimes I just start talking bullish. So you got to remember that if you're new to the channel, just because I'm saying buy, if you ever hear me, I rarely ever say that. But if you hear me slip up and say that, understand it's not financial advice. But I'm saying it from a technical standpoint. If you believe that Shiba Inu is going to go back over to that 40 level, then why wouldn't you be throwing as much money as you could at it if you truly believe in it at that 50 level? So once it rolls over and eats a zero, you're already nicely in the green, y'all. You gotta do this the right way if you want to have success. So that's why I got my courses available to y'all right now, and I've been lowering the barrier of entry for people for a while to just try to, get some more people knowledgeable to that next level when it comes to their financial education. And, it's going nicely, But now that prices are picking up as far as the overall market, we see Bitcoin going to, basically its all-time high again. I'm going to only have this offer available for probably only a few more days, y'all. So for the next 5 people that hit me up via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, I will allow you to grab one of my courses, one of my $2,500 courses for an extreme discount. Reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. And again, you will be getting a plug that you just, I'm going to see who takes the initiative, who's serious about this. You reach out, I'm going to really look out for you. That's all we got for this video. Follow me on all platforms at DecemberDeMarco. Again, make sure you have subscribed. Share this video with a friend. Tell them to share it with a friend so that way we can grow the SHIB army. We can get people more informed, more educated, and hopefully more confident when it comes to their SHIB investments. Appreciate everybody for pulling up, and we are